In this video, I will be talking about our framework for detecting and mitigating system-level anomalies in vision-based controllers. There are many autonomous agents that use vision-based systems for control, but they undergo failures quite frequently and cause system safety violations. The shown examples show failures in self-driving cars. For our study, we take an autonomous aircraft taxiing system developed at Stanford University using an artificial neural network called TaxiNet. In our approach, we leverage the knowledge of different failure modes of the system. Using that knowledge, we create a dataset consisting of failure and success images. Further, we fit an anomaly detector, which is a binary classifier to predict failure or success. And lastly, we build a fail-safe mechanism for preventing safety breaches. The failure analysis and data labeling are performed using Hamilton-Jacob reachability, in which we compute backward reachable tubes (BRTs) of the system. As shown in the figure, BRT is a set of states such that, starting from any of those states, following a given control, we end up at a target state within a time horizon. If the target state represents failures, states enclosed by BRT represents all potential failures. For preparing dataset, we sample a number of states and get the corresponding images from simulator. We query the state from our BRT and get the value function according to which we label the state as failure or success. The states with positive values are marked as success and vice versa. Here we show some failures and success marked by BRTs due to runway boundaries, markings and lights. We finally take 240K images for training consisting of different environmental conditions. We use a pre-trained efficient net architecture as a binary classifier for anomaly detection. To prevent safety breaches, we use a fail-safe mechanism in our framework. For this case study, whenever we get a failure output, we hand over the control to fallback controller, which starts decreasing aircraft's linear velocity until it reaches a safe state, giving a success output. Coming to the results, the anomaly detector showcases excellent generalization capabilities on unseen testing environments by high recall and accuracy. Also note that a high recall informs efficient detection of false true positives, that is, the potential failures. On the right, you can see a comparison between BRTs obtained using default accident controller and our safety pipeline, showing a significant decrease in the BRT volume. Here we show trajectory comparison for some failure cases. Close to runway boundary, the accident controller takes it outside of the runway, but the safety pipeline is able to correct the trajectory. For the failures due to runway markings, the accident controller thinks the marking is a center line and fails, but the safety pipeline is able to detect and correct the trajectory. We also tried incremental training of visual controller on our dataset, where we trained the pre-trained TaxiNet on our whole running dataset, followed by targeted retraining on just the failure samples. The BRT comparison shows significant volume decrease, enhancing the performance, which is evident from the aircraft trajectories at the star marked state. At this state, default TaxiNet controller takes it out of the runway, but the incrementally trained network performs a successful operation. In conclusion, I would like to recall that we have developed an automatic data generation pipeline using reachability. The anomaly detector can detect closed-loop failures from an image, and the fallback mechanism gets activated on failure signal, maintaining system safety. The source code of this framework is available on this link. Thank you.